Good morning. Today is Monday, April 16th. I want to take a quick look at ASYI. That's AI Systems Inc., traded on the bulletin board. We've had this one on our radar for quite some time. Notice back here in the beginning of March, the stock was trading between 001 and 0015 for a while. Had this big, huge run up from 0015 all the way up to a penny 0159. Since then, you've seen a consolidation, and we've just recently seen it start to run up again for some dramatic gains. Now, notice back here when it had the first run, the RSI ran all the way up into the power zone. Look, it hit a high of 90, and since then, the RSI retraced but bounced off of the 50. That's a very positive sign. And you got the RSI pointing back north, going into the power zone, currently at 68.04. Look at these moving averages, how they continue to rise. This is the 20-day moving average sharply rising towards the 200-day. And you also have the 50-day curling up nicely towards that 200-day. So a golden cross looks like it's imminent here in the forthcoming weeks. On Friday, the stock hit a new high. It broke this previous high of 0159, hit a new high of 0183. Saw a little bit of sell-off towards the end of the day. We closed at 014. However, most of the volume traded on Friday was well above this 200-day moving average. Most of the volume, I was watching the level 2 consistently throughout the day. Most of the volume was traded in the 016 to 018 range. So you had a slight sell-off at the end of the day. I think that was attributed from profit takers. It was a low volume sell-off, and we closed below the 200-day moving average. I'd like to see this stock get above this 200-day moving average and hold above the 200-day. That'll be a very positive sign. Notice the volume bars. Volume started to increase again on Friday, so it'll be interesting to see if that could continue into this week. Check out the PPO, recently crossed over, and the blue bars in the histogram flipped over and they're turning up, so those are very positive signs. You got the slow stochastics both pointing north, and it's above 50, so that's a positive sign. So all in all, I really like the chart set up here on ASYI. Really started to get some momentum towards the end of last week. Going to be interesting to see what it does going into this week. Keep ASYI on your radar. Thanks for watching.